In this video, I want to share with you 10 low competition lake niches and prompts to go with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those low competition lake niches, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So today is Wednesday, May 29th, 4:33 p.m. sitting at 22 sales. 6 returns, $39 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,843 sales for the month and $2,734. Remember, I have a goal of hitting $3,000 a month, but there's about 2.5 days left in the month, so don't know if I'll be able to hit it. Gonna have to have a couple big days. Yesterday I had 12 returns and kind of low sales, and today I already have 6 returns, so that's kind of killing me. But nevertheless, this is still a record for me. I've never done made this much money on Merch by Amazon before. I was actually checking my stats from last year. These are my all-time stats, and here's how much I did last year in May. Where is it? Right there. 135 sales and $411. And look at me now in just 1 year. This is how much I've grown. I think that's like a 7x. So I really have nothing to complain about. It just would have been nice to hit my goal, but who knows? There's still time left. Maybe I can do it. And if not, hey, do it next month. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so just want to touch on something real quick because I got a lot of comments on my last video about camping prompts. And it seems like people were saying like, oh, all your videos now are about prompts. Where are all the niches? Where's the old Mike? We miss your old content. And you guys are right. I have been kind of switching up my content. I've been making more like AI content, more content about prompts. But I just want to rest you guys assured that I will still be making the niche videos. If I'm just to be straight up honest with you guys and transparent, I've just been having a lot of fun making these AI videos. I've been having a lot of fun making the designs using ideogram. I have been having a lot of fun making the prompts as well. So what I'm going to try and do is do like kind of like a hybrid where I make videos kind of like this one right here, where I share with you the niche, then also share with you a prompt to go with it to kind of make everybody happy. Because as a YouTube creator, it's really important, at least I believe, that, I'm enjoying the content that I'm making. If you guys remember in April during spring break, I got burnt out. I kind of stopped making videos because I just wasn't really feeling it, And now I'm really enjoying making these AI videos, so I'm just going to try and find a happy medium. But just want to touch on that. But now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So, it's summer now. So there's certain niches that are going to sell or get a lot of sales this summer. It's basically just like outdoor stuff. So like camping, that's why I did the video about that. Glamping, sub niche. You got like pool, lake, barbecuing, hiking, any like outdoor content. And lakes or even boating. The lake niche is a huge niche, does very well every year. So I just want to share with you some low competition lake phrases or niches that you can use, and also prompts to go with them. Now, if you're interested in the prompts, I actually have them right here on Gumroad, and I'm only charging $1 for it. So if you want, you can go ahead and download those. And then I'm just trying out some new content on Gumroad where actually I'm just selling the actual designs for $5. So if you like the designs, if you don't want to design or use ideogram, or you don't care about the prompts, but you like these designs and you want to purchase them, you can actually get those as well, only for $5. Again, I'm just testing content, seeing what sells, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the first niche. So the first low competition lake niche that I have for you is going to be where we take girls trip and we cross niche it with the lake. So girls trip lake squad, only 170 results. Oh, whoops. Right here we're going to see 170 results. And if we look at this one right here, this is kind of what I'm talking about, doing something kind of like this right here. Girls trip lake squad, we can see it has a pretty good BSR. If we go to flying research, this is another one, girls trip lake squad. Now you can also do girls weekend lake squad. One thing to maybe consider is to add in the year. So you can do girls trip lake squad 2024. That's also going to help. Girls trip is a great niche. I've done very well. That's one of the reasons why I've gotten so many sales this year, is because of these girl trip niches. And the prompt that I have for you, the design and the prompt, is this one right here. Girls trip lake squad. This is the prompt. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, whoops. Is that it? Yeah, so girls trip right here, a captivating illustration. These are magic prompts. They're very descriptive, detailed, but this is what the design looks like. I think it looks pretty good. This is the best one. This one is kind of weird, the water. I think it kind of gets in the way of the squad. But that one looks good, and this one looks good right here. So that is the first low competition lake niche that I have for you. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. And this is the second low competition lake niche that I have for you, and it's lake hair, don't care. We're going to see that there's only 79 results. They got some good BSRs. Now, I did check all of these niches for trademark, but remember, you never want to take my word for it. Always do your own research and check. I'm human. I could have made a mistake. You always want to keep your Merch by Amazon account safe and play the long-term game. But like I said, I did check these, but just do your research. So this is the second one right here, lake hair, don't care. If we go to Flying Research, here what some of the BSRs look like on some of the other ones. A lot of them are using the messy bun, but that's not mandatory. You can also use, like I saw one with like just a sun in a lake, and that's the type of design that I made right here using ideogram. Here is the prompt. A lot of these magic prompts, I like to use this whimsical word a lot. So whimsical and humorous cartoon illustration sets the tone with a black background, creating a contrast against the vibrant elements. And you can see it's very well written, very descriptive. I think this looks pretty good. So that's the second one I have for you. Next one is going to be this phrase right here, which is lake bum. Only 364 results, as we could see from Merch by Amazon and Productor. And these can be pretty easy. They can just be text, like right here, lake bum, or you can add some like cheetah or leopard to it, add in some type of clip art, like some American sunglasses. You see here, just very simple, distressed text. Let's go ahead and take a look at Flying Research, see what some of the designs look like there. So a couple of the same ones, just text. Here they're adding some type of like, a water or pool, like accents. And here is the design that I created. Oh, whoops, this one right here. I think this actually looks pretty good, kind of similar to the one that I showed you, but you got the clip art in the middle, and you got the text on the top and on the bottom. This is my favorite way to design. When I was designing on Photoshop lately, I've just been using ideogram because it's just been so much fun, like I said. But that is the third low competition lake niche I have for you that will be trending this summer. And then the fourth or fifth, I've kind of lost count now, but is the next niche that I have for you. The lake niche is going to be a family lake vacation where you add in the year, so 2024. I saw very little of these, and one thing that I would recommend is to not do making memories together, because I'm pretty sure that is trademarked, so you want to get rid of that, or you want to just switch it up and maybe say something like making lasting memories or making family memories, or just switch something up. Here is what the design looks like that I made on ideogram. I think this actually looks really nice. Family lake vacation 2024 and making lasting memories. Here what some of the other ones look like. You got the text wrong at the bottom there, but this one looks pretty good. Actually, this looks really nice. I like the sun, the colors there. And this one, the paddles look kind of weird, but I think it could work maybe if you change some of the water to blue. But this was my favorite one right here, and I believe that is the fifth or fourth niche that I have for you. And the next low competition lake niche that I have that will be trending this summer is going to be this funny phrase right here that says lake life because beaches be salty. That's pretty funny. Only 41 results. Here what some of the designs are looking like that are already selling. This one looks pretty good right there. This one as well. And if we take a look at the prompt and the design from ideogram, this is what I came up with. I think that actually looks pretty good. I think it's pretty cool with the dock going into the lake like that. Here what some of the other ones look like that I think could work. Actually, no, this text is messed up, so we'd have to remix that. But I think this one is correct because beaches be salty. Yeah, it looks correct. And let's take a look at the last one. Okay, lake life because, oh, they got one extra E. But I thought this was pretty impressive how they were able to get like the reflection of the mountain. That's pretty impressive to me, but this was my favorite one right here. Lake life because beaches be salty. And the next lake niche that I have for you is kind of like the first one that I shared with you, but instead of girls trip cross niched with lake, it's going to be cousins cross niched with lake. So cousin crew, lake squad, only 102 results, 102 results. Here what some of the designs look like. I think this is actually probably one of the best ones or better ones in this group of 10 that I'm sharing with you, because it just makes sense that cousins get together, over the summer and go to the lake. So I think this could work really well. One thing you might want to consider is adding in the year 2024 just to kind of differentiate yourself. You can see they all have BSRs. Here's what the prompt or the design that I came up with, what it looks like on ideogram. So cousin crew, lake squad, they all turned out good except for this one right here because they did a G instead of a Q. But I think all these, like this one's very quaint or nice right there. But this was my favorite one right here. Now someone did send me a message on Instagram today saying that cousin crew is trademarked, but when I check right here, cousin crew in the 0-25 category. I mean, unless I'm blind, I'm not seeing anything. Plus, I've uploaded so many t-shirts with the keyword Cousin Crew. It's one of my best sellers, actually. So I don't know. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Maybe if you know something I don't know, comment below and let me know. But that is, I don't know, maybe the 6 or 7 niche I have for you. And the next low competition lake niche is going to be sorry, can't, lake buy. This is actually a pretty popular phrase that we've seen do very well over the years on Merch by Amazon, where you just say sorry, can't, and then you just pop in any type of niche, whether it's basketball, baseball, or any type of activity basically. We see only 133 results. A lot of them are just text, so pretty simple, using like blue or watercolors right here. Then I saw some other ones where they're adding in like some sunflowers. This is the one that I tried to emulate. If we go to ideogram, we can take a look and see. So this is the prompt right here, magic prompt, very detailed, descriptive, and this is what the design looks like. I think this was the best one. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. Not so good, that one, kind of weird, the text. Yeah, so I think this was the best one. I liked it because of the little smiley faces in the A, but I got rid of these little alien looking creatures, which kind of creeped me out. If we go back to the Gumroad page right here, we're going to see I actually got rid of them because it was just kind of, I thought those alien faces were kind of weird. But yeah, so that is, I don't know, maybe the 8th niche that I have for you. And then moving right along, the next niche is going to be boat waves, sun rays, lake days. I think this niche or phrase works well because it's kind of like rhyming. Only 373 results. You can just do simple text with like a sun, smiley face. Well, maybe I don't know if I do a smiley face. That might be copyrighted, but a lot of them are like sunglasses like this right here. Let's take a look at some other ones. Again with the sun, just simple text again. Where's some more sunglasses ones? So like this right here, you can see sunglasses. So pretty easy to design for. This is what the prompt, actually this was my favorite one. This is why I actually put it on the Gumroad page right here, but I think this one turned out really nice. Let's see what the other ones look like. I think this was probably actually a remixed one that I was doing. But yeah, so that one right there I think turned out the best. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this design right here. And then the last 2 lake niches were a little higher in competition. That's why I saved them towards the end. But the ninth one is lake vibes, 1600 in results. The vibe word has been doing pretty very well over the past 5 years, I think, on Merch by Amazon. Here is the design. Not the best, but what I did is I changed the color to white. And so it could go on a black background. So we're going to see it right here. This is how it turned out. I think it actually looks pretty good when you change the color to white, put it on a black background. And then the last one is this one right here. That is Lake Life. We're going to see, it's pretty competitive, almost 5,000 results. I didn't catch that. I was looking at this number when I was first doing my research. But if you're running ads, maybe you can get it to work. And here is the prompt or the design that I made. This one right here, Lake Life with the flag. I think that's kind of cool with the distressed look. But these are the 10 niches in the lake niche that will be trending this summer, and the prompts to go with it. So here, what this is what they look like right here. And if you're interested, you can go ahead and you can just purchase these designs if you like them, or if you want the prompts, you can get them for only $1. The links will be in the description. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this kind of style of videos where I show you the niche and I show you the prompt? Let me know. I actually have a lot of fun making this type of videos. I feel like I'm making everybody happy, sharing with you guys niches, also sharing with the prompts, which makes me happy because I like to mess around or play with ideogram and AI. I think it's the future. So let me know. I would appreciate it. And now I just want to share with you some resources on how I've been able to go from a $500 a month seller for many years all the way to up to almost $3,000 or at least $2,000 a month seller. And one thing that I'm offering now on my YouTube channel is memberships. So I have 3 tiers: bronze, silver, gold. Bronze is just if you want to support the free content. You get loyalty badges and priority replies to comments. But the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold packages or tiers. So the silver is going to get you 4 videos, 4 members only videos a month, or 1 members only video a week. It comes out every Monday at 6 a.m. Central Time, and that video is going to be 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches with prompts. And then you're also going to get a daily market update where I share with you like a trending niche. Now there has to be something trending. Last week there was a whole bunch of trending weeks. This week it's been a little bit lower. So if there's something that's not trending, I just try and offer you some type of value. Maybe it might be another evergreen niche. Maybe it'll be a prompt. Maybe it would be a niche to stay away from. This is what it looks like right here. So you just go to my page, click on memberships, And let me just share with you an example. So let's see here, where was it? So 6 days ago there was this niche right here that was trending, Bro We Out Counselors. I just kind of talk a little bit about it, why it's trending. I give you a prompt for it. I share with you a design that I made for my Creative Fabricate page. I even share with you a brand title and bullet 2 that I would use for this niche. So that's what you get with the silver. But if you sign up for the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver package, but you're also going to get a Word file at the beginning of each month of 100 prompts that will be trending for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is, let's see, May 29th. So in a couple, if you sign up for the gold today, in a couple days, June 1st, you would get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in July. That way you'll have a month to basically prepare to get your designs up to get some sales. Now the silver is only $7 a month and the gold is only $10. And if this join button is not available in your country, you can just go to the description and I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price. Where is it? Right here on Patreon. So join my Patreon if YouTube join button is not available in your country. Again, exact same thing for the exact same price. And then if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I also have a course for beginners. So if you're like stuck in tier 1, stuck in tier 2, I'm sorry, if you're stuck in tier 10 or you're making only like less than $100 a month, click on this link right here that says Merch Course. And I will show you everything that I've learned over my 7 years on being on Merch by Amazon. It's only 19 bucks. It's good for beginners or for people struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And then if you want some freebies, just click on my page or my name right there. You can see the other courses I offer for like Etsy and Redbubble. But right here you're going to see I have free prompts, 10 free prompts for Father's Day, 50 free prompts for June, 7 free prompts for Redbubble. I also have paid prompts as well, so if you want to pay, this one has actually been selling the best. 4th of July prompts for free and for sale, and then camping prompts, so you can just kind of cruise around, take a look. And then I'm also offering those some PNG files. So I've been taking some of those designs I've been making from the prompts that I've been putting together. So like for glamping, I made a video about this yesterday. These ones turned out really well. I wish they would do a better job with the thumbnails. It's kind of annoying. Anyways, but this is what they look like. So if you're interested, you can get those for only $5. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. A little longer than the majority of my videos, but I just wanted to talk about, some of the comments people were making about how, they missed the old mic and things like that. But don't worry, I will still be making those niche videos. I just want to incorporate some AI because it's just a lot of fun. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.